Hi children. In our last class we discussed a lesson. What is the name of the lesson? Yes, the monkeys go fasting, and we completed the story. And here see, in the story, all the monkeys they peel the bananas and ate them. Did you do that? Yes. Now here see, I wrote some fruits and vegetables on the blackboard. I read orange, papaya, carrot, grapes, guava, coconut. And here some clues are also given: cut, peel, break as a whole. So, as the monkeys peeled the bananas and ate them, now I want to know how the way how you eat these fruits and vegetables. Okay? Samir, just come forward. Just stand here. Can you read the first word? Orange. If I just imagine, if an orange is given to you, how you eat? Do you cut the orange? No. Yes. So if an orange is given, what do? We peel and we eat. So do action like this. Peel and eat. Peel and eat. So it is the way of eating an orange. We eat the orange by peeling off its skin. Don't we? Very good. Get that. Next can come forward. Can you read the second word? Papaya. How do you eat the papaya? Cut. Hey, do we cut the papaya to eat? Yes. Very good. Then cut and eat. Very good. Keep eating the pieces. Keep eating all the pieces of papaya. Eat. Very good. Claps. Okay, come forward. Can you read the third word? Carrot. Carrot. How do you eat the carrot? Cut. Then show me how you cut. And eat. Very good, very good, very good. Claps. See, sometimes we may cut the carrot and we eat as a whole. Don't we? So this carrot can be eaten by cutting or as a whole. Next we come forward. Aishwarya. Yes. What is this fourth one? Grapes. How do you eat the grapes? Do you eat the grapes by cutting? No. What do we call the what you are showing? Eat. How you eat? As a whole. As a whole. Yes. Show us how you eat the grapes. Soon after buying the grapes in the market, first we have to wash the vegetables. Unless we wash the vegetables, there may be dirt particles on the fruits. So for that, we have to wash the fruits thoroughly into water. After that, we have to eat grapes as a whole. Whatever Aishwarya did action, is it correct? Yes. Very good. Next, Amrita, come here. Can you read this fifth word? What is that? Guava. Yeah, how do you eat the guava? Do you eat the guava by peeling? No. Wait. Am I asking you? No, I am asking only Manvita. How do you eat the guava? Do we eat the guava by peeling? No. Do we eat the guava by breaking?